So, it's done. I want you to know I used nothing but scraps on this. I had the Jatoba left over. It's also called Brazilian Cherry from a cutting board I did a while back. The Purple Heart was from a Purple Heart cutting board I did a while back. And then the pecan was from the bourbon box. And I'll link that video down below. I had a lot of firsts on this video. So first, I want to show you, I set this down here. I inlaid it here. I've never done that before. I thought it would look good, and then I put a little chamfer on the edges right there. You see that? All right, that was one. The next first, I've never done splines before, and it was super, well, I say it was super easy. It was hard to get. I shouldn't have put so much glue on there because I had to sand the crap out of it to get it out. I'm going to show you some beauty shots of it in just a minute. I've never made a jewelry box before, so that's another first. I flocked before, but I've never flocked like this before, so it has flocking on the inside. So it's a lot of firsts for me, and it turned out really, really well. I'm excited about this. I'm going to give this to my granddaughter. It's not perfect, definitely not perfect, but you know, that's why we make stuff instead of having it mass produced. It's not perfect, it's what we want it to be. And that's what I've been doing lately. I've been making stuff I want to make. I made the chess set. You can go over there and watch it. I'll link all these down below. I made the bourbon box. That was my favorite build for the last while. I made another chess set from a solid piece of Purple Heart. It's what I want to do, and that's what I think I'm going to continue to do. If you got some suggestions, go down to the comments, let me know. But I think what I'm going to make next, I've been watching this guy on YouTube, Yarmles or Yarmless. I don't know how to say his channel's name. But he made some tambour alcohol cabinets, and then he made some other cabinets that had these weird geometric doors that open up. And I think I'm going to try some of those. They looked amazing. Now, am I going to sell this stuff? No, I'm making it for me. I just want to see if I can make it. I'll put it up on the wall over here and throw a bottle of bourbon in it. Throw some cigars in it. I've got an idea. I have an old Thunder Boomer 77. That is a family heirloom, but it doesn't fire. I'm kind of afraid of it to shoot it because it shaves lead and stuff like that. But it's a great display piece. It's part of my family's history. So I want to frame that out and put it up on a wall. So maybe we'll do that one here soon or next. I don't know. But I just have all these other ideas. You may ask, why aren't you turning anymore? Because this thing that I'm leaning against is a 300 or 400 pound paperweight. The control box finally went out on it. Every time I try to turn something, it comes on and then turns off, comes on, turn off. I just can't do it. And I just don't want to spend $500 to fix it. I don't have that much money to spend in Moonpie Creations account. So I'm going to try to fix it myself, and if I can fix it, I've got a couple videos in the making, and I'll post them. But stay tuned. Every 2 weeks, I'm going to put out another one of these videos where I try some new stuff. Stick with me. Maybe I'll do good. Maybe I'll do bad. Maybe you can make fun of me. I'm okay with that too. But realize this, that I miss all of you. I miss all of your comments, and I hope to see you again soon. Go down to the comments. Let me know what you think about my ideas here and what I'm going to do. And until next video.